guys, so welcome all. Jeni leo ni plug ma sneakers kali t-shirts. Tuko hapa ndani ya Posh City. Ukiangalia mali ni safi safi, lebo pale ni Posh City. Utaka sneakers kali unazipata hapa ndani ya Posh City. Kuna ma Air Max, ma Air Force. Utaka maziwa ndege ndio hiyo hapo iko available. Sizes zote ziko. So if you're looking for authentic and unique sneakers, pia pale kuna jackets, you can get them here at Posh City. They also t-shirts hapa, kuna plain ones, ukitaka animal print pia ziko. They all available here at Posh City. Pia ukitaka plain t-shirts bado ziko, quality safi safi. Ukitaka jeans, they also available. So karibuni sana. So if you're looking for a plug for your authentic sneakers and unique ones, you can come to Posh City and get some. Alafu kuna varieties of designs hapa. Ukiangalia hapa kuna J6, hapa kuna Babestars, kuna Adidas, kuna J1 huko. So each and every design unaweza taka ya sneaker, you can get it here at Posh City. Pia ukitaka capes, they also available. You also have the boxers over there. Alafu by the pia, if you want kids sneakers, they also available. As you can see, there's an Air Force over here. Kama junior, so unavaa yako, unabaia mjunior yako, alafu unavaa yako safi hapo. So karibuni sana. So if you're looking for authentic sneakers, if you're looking for anything to do with fashion, you can get it here at Posh City at affordable prices. So welcome all.